Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel if you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. If you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'll show you guys how to achieve this particular eye makeup look, and in this particular eye makeup look I have not shown you guys how to achieve this base makeup. So if you want to check it out how I have achieved this base makeup look, then it's already up there in my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @follow_me_mimi. From there you can check it out. And for this eye makeup look I will be showing you guys how to achieve this eye makeup look in today's video. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on rolling with me. So now as you can see that I'm already done with my base. So the first things first, so first I'll start with my eyelid priming, and to prime my eyelid today I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, which is this one. This is their lightest variant. So I am going to use this to prime my eyelids, and I'm just going to put some onto my eyelids like this. And now I will be using my brush to blend it into my skin. I'm not going too far close to my eyebrows because they're already done, and to do them I have used my ABH Deep Brow Pomade, which is in the shade Chocolate, which is this one. So I used it to do my brows. Now I will be going on with my Sigma Beauty sponge, the 3D HD blender, and now I'm like done with prepping my eyelids and priming my eyelids. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly, like very quickly, going to set my eyelids. And to set my eyelids today I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It's in the shade 20 Light Medium. So I'm going to use this to set my eyelids. But before setting my eyelids, I'm just going to go over with my sponge once more to eliminate any kind of creasing which might have happened onto my eyelids. So yeah, this is it. So now when I'm done with that, and whatever I have left in my brush, I'm just like going to pat it under my eyes so that it catches out all the fallouts and everything else when I will be creating the look. So now at this point I will start with my eyeshadow palettes. And today the first eyeshadow palette which I'm going to use right now is going to be my Main Quiz palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. It's their red variant. So I'm going to use this. And starting off today's look, today I will first start with a transition color. And for today's transition color, today I'm going to choose like this lightest color over here called Rose. So I'm just going to take this onto my brush like this. It's my PAC 204 brush. So I use this brush to blend my transition, and I'm just like packing the color onto my transition, and then I'm like blending it in a windshield wiper motion and in a circular motion, like windshield wiper and circular. So this is how I'm just going to blend it onto my eyes right now. So now at this point, when I'm done with putting that color called Froze onto my transition, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take like this color over here called Seed Money. This is like a light brown color. I know it might be looking a little reddish onto the camera, but it is in person it is like a light brown color, which is like this one. So I'm just going to take this color over here and I'm just going to put it onto my crease. So now taking this color over here onto a pencil brush like this, I'm just going to put it onto my crease to give my crease a certain amount of depth and dimension, which I would love because of my look which I'm going to create. So I'm like here I'm doing nothing, I'm just like blending the color along with the color called Froze onto my crease, and you can see like it is giving like an instant depth onto my eyes. So that is what I am looking for. So I'm like doing that over here. So So now at this point, when I'm done with that second color called Seed Money, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and take another color which is a bit darker than this color called Seed Money. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to choose like this brown, dark brown color over here called Red Buttons. So this is this one. So I'm just going to take this onto a small nano pencil brush like this, and I'm just going to put it onto my crease slightly to darken it up way more so that it gives like a nice outlined look. I'm just like putting the color just where my crease is, and I'm just like blending it. So now at this point, when I'm done with that color called Red Buttons, and I'm just going to go and take a glittery shade, rather not a glittery shade, rather a shimmery shade, and the shimmery shade which I'm going to choose is going to be from the same palette, and from this particular palette all over again I'm just going to choose like this color over here, and this is called Maracasino. Okay, so I'm just taking this beautiful color over here. This is a metallic shade, as you can see. So I'm just going to take this shade over here, and I'm just going to put it onto like this area, like this 3/4 area of my eyes. But today I'm not going to do any cut crease, so I'm just going to take this color and directly pat it onto my eyes. But before doing so, I just took a Q-tip and I have cleaned this area so that I just can get the exact appearance of this particular color. So I'm just going to take a flat brush like this. You can use your fingers because all these shades work amazingly with a finger. So I'm just going to dip my brush into this color over here, as you can see. So now taking this color over here onto the brush, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swipe it across my eyelids to fill in that 3/4 portion which I cleaned. Now I am going to do my favorite part, which is putting on some glitters, and you guys must have known by this time that I am a sucker for glitters. So I'm just going to put on some glitters, but these glitters are not those like makeup glitters which are sold by the brands and the companies, because I have been looking for some, but I was not able to settle down because I was not able to settle down with what to wear, what to buy, and from where to buy. So I thought like purchasing some glitters from some stationery stores. So I went ahead, they're very cheap, so I just bought some. I am going to use them for the first time. I don't know how they are going to come out. I just like pray that they are like good enough to use them. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Let's see what happens. And as usual, obviously I don't own any glitter primer or glitter glue, so I'm going to use my PAC eyelash glue, which is this one. So I'm just going to use this, and I'm just going to give it a good shake. After giving it a good shake, I'm just going to put it onto like so. Now taking my brush like this, I'm just going to dip my brush into the glitter, and taking some onto my brush like this, I'm just going to take my mirror close to my eyes, and I'm just going to pat it onto my eyes. Okay, this is quite good. Ooh, I love it. So now at this point, when I'm done with putting that glitter, and it is looking quite glittery and blingy as I like it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and put on some liner. And for my liner, I'm going to use my all-time favorite liner. It's from the brand NYX. It's my NYX Epic Ink liner, which is this one. So I'm just going to use this and draw a nice winged liner. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some lower lash line. So to do my lower lash line, I'm again going back to my palette, and from this particular palette, I'm just going to choose. So okay, let me choose like this color over here all over again. not all over, yeah, so let me choose like this color over here called Seed Money all over again, which is used onto my crease as the darkest color. So I'm just going to use this color over here, and I'm just like taking a small pencil brush like this, and I'm just like, you know, smoking my lower lash line out. So now at this point, when I'm done with my entire look and smoking out my lower lash line, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some mascara. And for my mascara today, I'm using my Roller Lash Mascara by Benefits. It's this one, as you can see. So I'm just going to use this onto my lashes. This mascara is mainly for curling and lengthening. So now when I'm done with putting on the mascara, I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on some falsies, and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies. And for my falsies, I have used my PAC M77 lashes, which are basically this one. So I have put on these particular lashes, and so I'm completely done with my entire look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some blush, because I'm just left with the blush and the highlighter. And the blush which I'm going to use right now is from the brand Nykaa. It's their Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade 03. So I'm just going to use this one because this is a nice pinkish and reddish blush. So since the color is like a pink and a red tone, so I'm just going to use this one. So taking this onto my brush like this and dusting off the excess, I'm just going to put it onto my eyeballs. So now when I'm done like putting on some colors onto my face, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some highlighter, because that is what's going to bring the entire look together. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to use my Ofra highlighter. It's in the shade Red or Dry, which is this one. So I'm just going to use this highlighter all over my face. So that is it. That is my complete look. So now I'm finally done with my highlighter, blush, lipstick, everything. So everything will be given down in the description box, so you can check them out from the description box. So this is it for my today's look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching today's tutorial, because I thoroughly enjoyed working on with this particular look. So I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.